Hi, my name is Chidi Kalu. I'm a real estate investor, I'm a real estate trainer. I inspire people to take advantage of rental income opportunity. Today I'm going to be discussing, I want to appreciate every one of you that are on this platform. This happens to be a platform where this particular section of our power training and all of that was actually paid for by a group of persons, but I eventually decided, you know what, I'm going to do it for free. I'm going to help more people to take advantage of opportunities that are available, so at least we can spread the word. Now, this section is a section that I think that a lot of people have sent me personal emails, they send me some DPs that they would like to be part of. I'm going to be talking about the real estate investment conspiracy. I don't know by my tongue. The real estate investment conspiracy. What is there a conspiracy in the real estate market? Yes, there is. There's a conspiracy. A lot of people do not even know that there's a conspiracy, and that is why some people can take advantage of opportunities where others have failed in the time past. Now, for you to seriously maximize success in whatever thing, you must understand the conspiracy in that particular environment, so that you can easily take advantage of the opportunities that are available. Because if you don't understand the problems, you cannot find a solution. And if you cannot find a solution, you cannot win. You only win on the platform of you creating a solution. Now today, I'm going to be talking about the real estate conspiracy, what billionaire developers don't want you to know about rental income that is helping them to put money, other people's money in their bank account on a daily basis, on a monthly basis, or even on a yearly basis. Now, some people do not understand that the rental income market or the rental income sector or the real estate market is real estate indeed. Now, what am I going to be sharing with you? And that's just what I'm going to be talking about today. Now, what is the conspiracy? Why is it that you are being rigged out from exciting opportunity? Why is it that you cannot participate in the real estate market, in the big boys game? Now, why? Because real estate is not just for you it's not for the rich. Real estate is not just for the rich. Real estate is for you to be rich. Now, that is one of the major conspiracies. A lot of people think that they need money to be able to get started in real estate. But you know what? A lot of people are failing because they have this mentality that, you know what, I must be rich before I get started in real estate. Now, because real estate, first of all, you must recognize this. Real estate is a game of wealth. It's a game of wealth. Now, what you want to do is that you want to transit from one level, social status, to another social status. So what real estate helps you to do is that it helps you to build wealth solidly. Now, for you to build wealth, you require a particular kind of mentality, and that is where you need to be able to have the wealth mentality. You need to have the wealth mentality. Why? For you to be able to prosper in real estate. So what are the conspiracy? Number one conspiracy is what? Number one conspiracy is a conspiracy that the people that are doing real estate before now do not want you to know. It is why they don't want you to know the math. They don't want you to do the math. They don't want you to do the math. Why? There is a difference. They don't want you to do the math. They don't want you to do the math. Now, because a lot of us, what we have only heard about real estate are things that our parents told us about, or the things that maybe our landlords, the owners of the property tells us about. But they fail to tell us about the math of real estate. The math of real estate. What is the math of real estate? The math of real estate is about you focusing on the numbers. It's about you focusing on the opportunity. It's about you focusing on the migration, the population, the people that are going to use the property. Now let me tell you this, every property is useless. A real estate is useless without people using it. So real estate is useless without people using it. Now let me explain to you what I mean. I know a lot of us, we have bought lands one way or the other, we have bought lands, landed properties, and in the hope of, oh, you know what, I'm a real estate investor. That does not make you a real estate investor. That only makes you a wannabe. You just want to be somebody invested in real estate, but that does not make you a real estate investor. What makes you a real estate investor is that you are making money from the real estate investment that you have made. That's what it simply does. that you are making serious money from the real estate. Now, if I ask you, if probably you are in US, you are an American citizen or probably a British citizen, and you live in Britain or you live in the US, now will you tell me that because you bought a land that you are a real estate investor? What there we call real estate investment is what is rental income. Is what rental income is that, oh, I am investing for rentals. That's what makes them a real estate investor. But here in Nigeria, it may be a different ballgame. So you think that because you bought land, that what makes you a real estate investor. You are not a real estate investor. You are probably a consumer, or you are subscribing to a particular portfolio. Now, for you, the real estate investors who are really making money in the real estate market do not want you to do the math. They don't want you to see yourself in another new light. They don't want to see yourself. So the second one is that, first of all, they don't want you to see the opportunities, to see yourself. They don't want you to see yourself as an investor. They don't want you to see yourself as an investor. As an investor. They don't want you to see yourself as an investor. They don't want you to see yourself as an investor. Why? Because they know that if you begin to see yourself as an investor, you rather want to focus on the money making aspect of real estate. You want to focus on the money making aspect of real estate. You know what but so everybody just assume, okay, you know what, since you have bought land, it makes you a real estate investment. Oh, you have bought land in one estate, it makes you a real estate investor. No, you're not a real estate investor. What you're simply you're just a wannabe. I don't know how you have a word for it, but I just want to call you a wannabe if you are thinking like that. So what they want to keep you is that they want to keep you to be what? A wannabe. Just be a wannabe. Just be operating on this level. Now, because what is real estate? First of all, let us go back to number one. Real estate is about numbers. It's about people using a particular investment, a particular portfolio. It's about using people coming to rent a property. Now, the numbers in our nation tells us that we have 17 million housing deficits. That is the math. That means 17 million people cannot access a house. We require a house. 17 million people need a house. Now, what is this number? What is the current population of housing in Nigeria, for example? What is the current population of housing in Nigeria? The current population of housing in Nigeria is... The current population of housing in Nigeria is what? Just give me a moment, I'll be right back. Okay. You're welcome back. Last, we're talking about doing the math. What is the current population of Nigeria? The current population of housing in Nigeria. The current population of housing in Nigeria is at 2014 statistics that says that Nigeria has 10.5 million houses. Now, here is the math. 10.5 million houses out of where? Out of 180 million people. Out of 180 million people. So we're only housing 10.5 million families. That's what it simply means. Now, this is the math. Here is the math. The population. And you know what? And we are growing at what? At a percentage of 4% on a yearly basis. 4%. That's an incredible number. That's an incredible number. 10% simply means that that's about 18 million people added to the system. Now, 5% will mean that we have about 9 million people added to the system. So let's just imagine that, okay, we have about 8 point something or 6 million people added into the system on a yearly basis. So between 2014 and now, it is 4 years. Between 2014 to 2018 is 4 years. That means we have added 24 million people. Now, where would they be housed? Where would they be housed? Now, this is a massive, and don't forget that when people, what do you call it now? When people increase in their family size, real estate, maybe the people who are staying probably in a one-room apartment before want to move out into maybe a single apartment, into a two-bedroom apartment or a three-bedroom. So the taste of the people will always change. So they don't want you to do the math, because if you do the math very well, you'll be able to see the opportunity. Because the opportunity is in what? It's in the math. The opportunity is in the math. So a lot of us, we get carried away and we think that real estate is not for us. First of all, because they've told us that real estate is for the rich. real estate is for the rich. So you have to be rich for you to get involved in real estate. That is not the mentality. That is not the attitude of a real estate investor. And they don't want you to see yourself as a real estate investor, so you don't just keep buying land. When you buy land, you appreciate. When you buy land, you're going to make money tomorrow. When you buy land, you're going to do this one another land. So what people are just introducing to you is to introduce you to the real estate investment that will not guarantee you good returns, that will only appreciate over time, over 10 years. Whereas there, they are making money today. They are making money today. They are making money every day. Why? They don't want you to take advantage of the opportunities today. Why? Because the opportunities are available now. The opportunities are available now. So we are missing out on the good opportunities. Why? Because they are pushed their trip. They've made you to focus on getting money tomorrow. I did something on social media some time back, and I got over about I think 50-something responses within maybe about an hour or so. Now here is the reality. Here is the truth. Now I asked the question: would you like to make money daily, or would you like to make money monthly? Or would you like to make money on a yearly basis? A lot of people said they would like to make money on a daily basis, even though small, but they will prefer it. Now, what people who make money, who invest in real estate do is that they take advantage of the current market. It may be small, but cash flow is more important than capital gain. Why? Consistency is more important than volume. It is not volume, it is about the consistency. Now, what the rental market gives to you is to give you what? It will give you cash flow. So that people do not want you to take advantage of this opportunity. It's a massive opportunity. The other one is the fourth one. We talk about the rich. We talk about the math. We also talked about the investment. Now, the fourth one is that they don't want you to operate as a hacker. The fourth one is to operate as a hacker. A hacker is somebody who forced himself or who has access, unauthorized access to codes, whether in real estate or probably maybe in computer. He has unauthorized access to codes. Now, how do you become an hacker in Nigeria in a real estate portfolio? Is that you become a hacker by doing what? By having unauthorized access to collect rent. Unauthorized access. In this aspect, in the technological world, it is illegal. But in this real estate, it is very, very illegal. Now, you can operate as a hacker in the real estate market by doing what? By collecting rent from properties that you do not own. By any rent from properties that you do not own. That is what some developers are doing. What they are doing is that they are meeting up with landlords, renovating their property, and what they are getting is that they are getting good returns on their investment. And they're getting to share rent with the landlord by doing what? Over a particular period of time, maybe for 10 years, 20 years, 15 years, depending on the negotiation with the landlord. So what they are doing is that they hack into the property through what? Renovation and creativity. Do you know what? That is not what they're going to tell you. That is not what they want to tell you. They don't want you to focus on that aspect. Why? Because have you not noticed that on almost every street in Nigeria, there is a house that needs renovation? But you know what? Every time you pass on that street, what you are doing is that there's an opportunity for you to hack into a property. But you know what? They don't want you to focus on that. Why? Because that is where they will make money. But you will not. You will see it and you will pass. Because why? You are not. They don't want you to operate what? As a hacker. Now, it is left for you to decide not to be rigged out of exciting opportunity. It is left for you not to be rigged out of inspiring opportunity that will put wealth in your hand, that will help you to generate massive returns and all of that. So for you now, what you must decide to do is that you must decide to begin to play the rental income game. The rental income game is not going to go away. The rental income game has come to stay. Why? Because as our population increases, that's where the mathematics is. As our population increases by 4%, you know what? The game will become sweeter on a daily basis. Why? Because those people who are taking advantage of the opportunities will always reflect in their lives, in their cash flow, and in the income that they generate. Those are just the four things that billionaire developers do not want you to know. Now, I want to give you guys an opportunity to invest with me if you will. If you go to www.middlechase.com/sign up, just go to that place. You are interested in investing with me, I'm going to share you show you some properties that you can invest in and take advantage of the opportunity. Or you probably can call me on 070-3554-6025. 070-3554-6025. If you call me, I'm going to speak with me and I'm going to share with you how you can take advantage. Or you can send me a WhatsApp message if I'm not able to respond to you directly. You can send me a WhatsApp message on that same number, 070-3554-6025, to be part of our rental income game. And I'd like you guys to also invite your friends to come to subscribe to this YouTube channel and to get connected with us, because this year we want to be able to reach out to 10,000 people, to be able to inspire them to build their own personal economy. That is the end of the package for today. And I also have an opportunity for those of you who want to subscribe to our to the property mail. The property mail every year is for a subscription of about 12,000 naira. But for those of you currently watching right now, I'm going to give you a discount of 50%. So at about 60,000 naira, you get our rental income, our property mail delivered at your doorstep. What you just need to do is to send us a WhatsApp message that you are interested in subscribing, and we'll reach out to you. God bless you. Stay rich and free. Till I come your way again next week. Don't forget that you must not rig yourself out of exciting opportunity. Don't allow them to rig you out of the exciting opportunity. Become a player, not just a spectator. Stay rich and free.